Thank you so much. The last composition of the evening. Can I invite the rest of our vocalists back on stage and Kavish as well for the last composition. And before we end the entire lineup for you on sitar, we have from Thakur. On tabla, Saptak Sharma. On voice, Kanikapurnish Kokali. As Kamandu, Kotika Sinha, Karik Singh. On sound, we have David Michael. A big thank you to Hobby Center team for all the support all these weeks. A big thank you to IAA for having us back on here. Thank you so much to all the patrons and all the board of directors for loving our music and calling us back. My name is Anirudh Verma. Thank you so much. And finally, on production, we have Raj Jog Singh. And if you, at the back, the backdrop, the artwork has been done by one of our friends, Orko Prabha Sarkar, back in India. And from IA for all your support, thank you so much. It's been wonderful working with the entire team. We hope to be back soon. The last composition of the evening.
कहना था सो कह दिया, 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 अब कुछ कहना, कहना था सो कह दिया, अब कुछ कहना। एक राह पूजा गया दरिया कहना था सो कह दिया अब कछुआ न जाए एक रात पूजा गया दरिया में समाए एक नया पूजा रहा दरिया में समाए
Thank you so much once again for having us here. Absolutely, Mama. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here.
A huge round of applause once again, please. Yes, they deserve a standing ovation. Thank you, Isha. First of all, let's give Isha a great round of applause. Isha, we've seen you a couple of times and you are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you know, guys, you know now IA is not just older people like us. We have the young ones here. But you all mesmerized us this evening. So bilkul pata hai, Kabir is such a deep subject. To try and do Kabir in 2 hours is not enough. While you may think that a lot of people have gone, there were a lot of people who came all the way from Austin, and I understand there was somebody from Rwanda here. And they've had to go back, there's a journey, but I'll tell you, there is a huge crowd upstairs. You can't see this because the whole of that center area upstairs was all full. Let's give them a huge round of applause. I want to thank all of you for coming out this evening. It was absolutely awesome. I am really thrilled for this. I want to call it experiment, but nothing to do with Kabir is an experiment. You know, I think you took us inwards, you showed us so much more. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. गंगा, जमुना, धरती, सब कुछ आप यहाँ पे ले आए आज. बहुत अच्छा लगा. और काविश और भुवनेश जी, adding to the हमारे जो घर के हैं, ABC, आप अब हमारे घर के हो गए. If I can say that, सच में it was awesome. I have no words to describe कि हम कैसे महसूस कर रहे हैं आप. बहुत आपका धन्यवाद. If I can ask Satish ji, Dr. Satish Patel is our chairman, as well as Veena Kaul is our treasurer. If I could ask them to come and please give Bhuvnesh ji and everybody at staff as a small token of appreciation.
Which one will it be?
Songs.
Yeah.
It'll be the one date.
I will set the date. This one. It should be this one. 29th.
We are so proud to be partners with the Hobby Center. The Hobby Center team is really awesome. I think acoustics were great. Everybody's enjoyed themselves tremendously. If I could give a shout out to Nathan, to Boomer, Rihanna, everybody was just so great to work with. And of course, Dave and our own Timmy, they have made sure that their audios was just amazing. We're going to get the artists out in the lobby. I am sure you're dying for a photograph or two with them. And you'll have an opportunity, if you could head to the lobby, we'll make sure that they come out to the lobby and have an opportunity for a photo. So please come in. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.